How to understand if you and your partner are on the same page about a baby. Are you both ready? Deliberating on parenthood requires careful consideration, as it can strain your relationship. If neither you nor your partner feels ready for the responsibilities of raising a child, navigating the preparation process can be challenging. Therefore, it's crucial for both of you to be aligned in your decision to have a baby. Here are key aspects you should discuss and agree upon. 1. Do we want kids and why? Prior to contemplating parenthood, thoroughly assess whether both of you are genuinely prepared for the responsibilities involved. Raising a child is a significant commitment, not merely a casual endeavor. Take ample time to reflect on whether both of you genuinely desire to become parents. 2. Do we have the time? In the midst of your hectic lifestyles, managing childcare can pose significant challenges. Establishing a routine through effective time management is essential for both you and your partner, particularly when caring for a child. 3. Financial stability. Prioritize financial stability above all else before delving into other considerations. Adequate planning for financial security is crucial when raising a child. Keeping track of essentials such as medical insurance, budgeting, and other financial aspects with your partner is imperative. Without a sound financial plan in place, you may not be adequately prepared to support your child. 4. Beliefs and values. In a relationship, it's acceptable to hold different beliefs and values as long as mutual respect is maintained. However, once a child enters the equation, it becomes essential for them to be exposed to the best values and beliefs. 5. Childcare. Ensuring access to quality childcare services is another critical aspect for both of you to consider. It's essential to have hospitals and doctors located nearby for emergencies. Your child will need timely vaccinations and regular checkups. 5. Kamasutra sex positions for beginners. Easy positions for beginners. This renowned Hindu text is globally recognized as a comprehensive guide to optimal sexual experiences, according to those who have explored its teachings. It offers a plethora of sexual positions ranging from the most challenging to the simplest. Therefore, if you're new to this, here are 5 positions you should consider trying out. 1. Sammukha. In this stance, utilizing the wall of your room proves quite advantageous. Have your partner lean against it while standing and then spread their legs. Proceed to engage with your partner, though if there's a height disparity, you might require a ladder, stool, or even the bed. 2. Piditaka. This position offers a relaxed and laid-back experience. Your partner lies on their back with knees pulled toward the chest and feet resting on your chest. Kneel in front of your partner to engage in frontal entry. 3. Janukurpara. This position is suitable only if you possess the strength to sustain it. You'll need to lift your partner, securing your elbows under their knees for support, while they wrap their arms around your neck. The eye contact and deep penetration make this position truly exceptional. 4. Tripadam. This position is ideal for quick encounters. While it may not provide deep penetration, it ensures fast-paced, short-lived excitement. Stand facing each other and have your partner lift one knee, assuming a tripod-like stance. 5. Virsha. This position is known as the reverse cowgirl, where you lie flat on the bed and your partner sits atop you. 7 signs you are dating a man-child. Is he? There are occasions when you might perceive him as too immature or overly relaxed compared to your expectations. This could be attributed to 2 reasons. Firstly, he might handle stress differently, appearing nonchalant about various situations. Alternatively, he might genuinely exhibit traits of a man-child, which may not align with your marital aspirations unless you are accepting of such behavior. To ascertain whether he falls into the latter category, here are some signs to consider. 1. Messy. Does his room appear excessively cluttered with items strewn across the floor, on the bed, and elsewhere? While being a bit disorganized is one thing, living in a manner reminiscent of a college student is another. 2. Excuses, excuses, excuses. If he consistently offers excuses for his mistakes and often portrays himself as a victim, then, dear reader, you are undoubtedly dealing with a man-child, an individual who lacks responsibility, and these tendencies are deeply ingrained and difficult to change. 3. Out of money. If he is not a student or facing a medical crisis, he shouldn't be experiencing significant financial difficulties. A responsible individual typically saves for unforeseen circumstances rather than consistently living on the edge. However, if he is unemployed, earns less yet spends impulsively, struggles with timely bill payments, and neglects tax obligations, then it's time to reassess the situation. 4. The toxic habits. If he is addicted and primarily engages in activities such as watching videos, consuming weed, or alcohol, and frequently zones out, are you certain about your relationship with him? Such behavior is not only highly irresponsible but also characteristic of a man-child. 5. Can you rely on him? Will he offer to hold your hand as you head to the airport? Will he willingly drive you to the airport, especially at night? If he shows no interest in these gestures or fails to follow through on commitments you've discussed, then it's best not to expect anything from him. 6. Cannot take criticism. A significant indicator of a man-child is their defensiveness when criticized. These individuals lack the capacity for self-reflection and struggle to accept feedback, refusing to acknowledge their own shortcomings. 7. You are constantly nagging him. If you find yourself constantly nagging him over basic responsibilities because you're disappointed in his behavior, it's time to acknowledge that he's a man-child, and you deserve someone more mature. It's frustrating to have to take on this role. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.